chef, hit dice. Don't know nobody that cook that nice. Grab me a spoon, grab me a spoon, grab me a spoon, grab me a spoon. What would you say? I won't eat twice. I want them seconds, that food that nice. Grab me a spoon, grab me a spoon, grab me a spoon, grab me a spoon. Walk on the potty and chef, hit dice. Don't know nobody that cook that nice. Grab me a spoon, give me a spoon, grab me a spoon, give me a spoon. What would you say? I won't eat twice. Yes, I want seconds, the food that nice. Grab me a spoon, give me a spoon, grab me a spoon.
Yes, sir. Welcome to your boy channel. About to make it happen again in this good kitchen. So we have a bag of chicken drumstick, lollipop chicken. This is my first time seeing them. Already cut, made just like this. So we're gonna do, go ahead and put our little twist to them and make some fried lollipop chicken. We have our flour. We have our little light seasoning. I'm gonna grab a couple of eggs, a little bit of milk, and we're gonna do our thing. But first, let's go ahead and let these bad boys soak in some water and white vinegar. And we're gonna clean them up. Okay, so we got a little thing of milk in here. Not much, just a little something to wet the chicken. So we're using 2 eggs. 1. Okay. Alright, we'll mix everything together. And happy Halloween to all the families out there. And make sure y'all be safe tonight. And buy your own candy. Alright, so I have me some sriracha sauce right here. Go ahead and put our sriracha sauce in there. I want a nice little bite to my chicken. To my lollipop, you know what I'm talking about? A nice little bite to it. Okay. Now let's go ahead and put our lollipops in here. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and season it up. So the season I'm using is this Tony Creole seasoning, more spices, and some garlic powder. So I have it both mixed together. So we're gonna do like 5 tablespoons. Mix everything together now. And we'll go ahead and put our chicken in there. We'll do that off camera. All right, so here we go right here. It's frying time. All right, we'll get one more in there. We'll let these bad boys fry. Okay, so here we go right here. I made it happen in this good kitchen. We have our mashed potatoes, our greens, beans, and our lollipop fried chicken. Looking yummy. You know, I'm just to go in for real. I'm finna get my little grub on. And like I say, happy Halloween to all the good family and friends out there. I hope y'all have a good day. Stay safe. And buy your own candy. Other than that, I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget, hit that bell notification. Like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit dice. That's a little twin right there. He said he want to be on YouTube.